and nothing is half evolved. There's nothing that exists with
Mixed into this video with a lot of incredibly wrong points about evolution. You are right about the nothing is half evolved, because that is not how evolution works. Evolution is not a stepladder. It is not stages. There's not more or less evolved or half evolved. An argument could be made that he meant developed, like half developed, but he then says nothing it comes with a half evolved eyeball or half evolved, I don't know, like limb or something, I think he said. But if, in the case of evolution, that is correct, because that's not how evolution works. In the case of development, that is incorrect, because multiple genetic or birth defects can result in a deformed or half evolved limb or underdeveloped. So evolution does not lead to better or higher or more evolved organisms. It just happens, adaptations based on natural selection. However, later in the video, he states that there is no evidence for a thing evolving and turning into a different thing, which is incorrect. Allow me to reintroduce our good friend Tiktaalik. Tiktaalik is our direct ancestor, as well as the first vertebrate creature to crawl its bony ass out of the water, and is now the reason that I have to pay rent every month. Tiktaalik is our direct ancestor, and as you can tell, we do not look like that anymore, and neither does pretty much anything else. The birds, and like the cats and dogs and humans, are all related to this little fish guy. Additionally, what we see here is a very complete look at whale evolution. Now, I bring up whales specifically because due to a amazing amount of fossil finds, we actually know pretty much every ancestor that modern whales have. Like, it's a weirdly complete lineage idea that we have of whale. And you can see we have basically the whole evolutionary pathway from the first, what we consider technically to be a whale, and all the way down to our modern whales and dolphins. We have direct fossil and genetic evidence to support this. So we know basically the entire how whales evolved. So saying there's no direct evidence of something turning into another thing, that is wrong, because that first one up there does not look very much like a whale.